welcome to YouTrip Podcast. We are coming to you live from Sati 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the center of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are in conversation today with one of our travel agents to understand what really is shaping travel this year. Let's get started. All right, to start us off, could you introduce yourself in one line? Your name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from.
So, मेरा नाम दिव्यम सूरी है and the company's name is Harbor Hopper. I'm the director of the company and we operate from Delhi itself and we have two offices over here in Delhi.
All right. With everything that is going digital nowadays, why do you think the clients should still prefer travel agents?
Okay, so every business requires some change over the years. There's always some kind of new innovation and people do ask for something new every time. And I don't think nowadays anyone would prefer going to a travel agent's office and having a word with them, trying to customize the itinerary. It's always easier to go over the phone. And once you know that this is your guy and he or she will be able to take care of your requirements or your special customizations, so surely travel agencies and travel businesses are going online. There's always scope for betterment that we can offer.
All right. So, in one line, what would you say is the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
Okay. The toughest part probably in the travel industry would be it's the most beautiful and the most toughest part that the customer satisfaction. Okay, so we are in the service business. It's not a product that we are selling. So definitely everyone has a different take on what you are offering and what services you are offering. It doesn't go hand in hand. Not every client is the same. Not every guest is the same. So definitely that's the most beautiful and the most toughest part to achieve 100% customer satisfaction.
That makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to lighten up the mood a little with a
Uh-huh.
quick rapid fire question round.
Sure.
Okay, where I will expect you to answer very shortly and very honestly in 2 to 3 words. So, budget clients, are they a blessing or are they a stress test?
Blessing in disguise. Can I say that?
Of course, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so if you could instantly solve one problem in the travel industry, what would that be?
I would say visa problems. That is something we're still lagging and not very. That's not sorted in the travel industry as of now. As well.
Okay. What is the most common dialogue you hear from your clients?
आपसे सस्ते कोट मिल रहे हैं सर.
Okay. What is the most common excuse you hear from your clients for delayed payments?
सैलरी आने में डिले चल रहा है या फिर अभी घर पहुंच के करता हूँ सर. ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. What is one myth about travel agents that is completely wrong?
We just don't sell flights. We sell experiences. That's two different things.
Got it, got it. So, instant quotes or customized itinerary, which one do you prefer?
Customized itinerary.
Okay. Which destination is selling effortlessly this year?
Bali.
Okay. Are clients choosing experiences over luxury?
Yes.
Okay. What does good service truly mean to you?
A 5-star review on your Google profile.
Okay. So if you could go to one destination completely free, which destination would that be?
Any day Maldives.
Okay.
Love to get pampered.
Okay. So now coming back to the business side of things, what is your travel business best known for?
My travel business is best known for the instant customizations and the knowledge about the destination. We know each and every road, we know each and every nukkad jo in Hindi that we say about the destination.
Okay. What all destinations do you majorly deal in?
We deal in Southeast Asia, that is Singapore, Bali, Vietnam. We deal in Malaysia, Thailand, Dubai, all those, and also Japan now.
Oh, that's great. What is the most unique client request that you've received so far?
We delivered a bouquet of cash at 2 a.m. in Thailand.
Okay. All right. What is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
Getting the quotes, so the price beat quotes from the clients. कि आप हमसे सस्ता दे कौन रहा है सर?
Got it, got it, got it. So when a client says, just send me one more quote, what does that mean?
अगले quote पे confirmation है.
Okay. So now we'll talk about industry realities. What matters more today? Is it the price or trust?
Trust.
Okay. What is one thing that online portals can never replace?
Human touch. You need someone to explain. Nobody reads the description. You need someone to explain it to you.
Okay. What is the biggest change that you've seen in today's Indian traveler?
We've all gone modern. We've started adopting Google ads or any other form of ads, be it Meta, Google, whatever ads, as a form of getting leads and getting clients, not just knocking on doors and just calling on random numbers.
Right. Okay. So looking ahead, where do you see your travel business 5 years from now?
One-stop solution for all experience solutions. We provide majorly whatever you may ask for in a destination, we do it for you. It's not just flights, it's not just hotels, but experiences also.
Okay. If someone is starting as a travel agent today, what should their first focus be?
Customer satisfaction rather than making money.
Okay. And if a travel agent wants to grow in the industry, what is one thing that they should fix?
Customer satisfaction only.
Okay.
He's the king.
Okay. If you could speak to your younger self on day one of your travel journey, what would you tell him?
Just keep hustling, keep grinding, don't stop. जो client है, talk to them. No client is small or big. Every client, every guest is a priority for us.
All right. So before we wrap up, I would love for you to look into the camera and share one piece of advice for the travel agents who are watching the podcast.
So, one piece of advice. So, I'm very young to give advice to people who have been in the industry for very, very long now. But one gap that I see, very small thing, that taking accountability of your mistakes. If someone is actually making a mistake in the guest trip, we own up to it, we apologize to it, and we fix whatever is possible. Otherwise, we make it special for them for some in some other way.
All right. And finally, in just one word, okay?
Uh-huh.
Why should someone book with your company?
Because we care for you.
All right. Thank you for
Thank you so much.
having this discussion here with us at Sati 2026. I'm sure that the viewers who are watching this, especially those from the travel industry,
Mhm.
will gain definitely something insightful from this.
Very nice speaking to you, Danika. It was an amazing podcast.
Thank you. Thank you so much.